So it wasn't a bad day to go out and do a little of a test flying on the 3-inch Hyperlite. This is a run with a 3S on some 1408, 3750 GEP RC motors here. So it's just basically what I just fly around with in the backyard. And yeah, it flies pretty good. I don't really have much complaint about the tune. There are some during, when I fall out of the sky a little bit, and I think you'll see it here in a minute, I have a little bit of wobble. So I probably could tune that out if I really wanted to, but honestly it flies pretty good the way it is, for me anyway. So yeah, it was just this is kind of a default little flying pattern that I usually run whenever I'm flying around the backyard. And it handles, fine movements and everything just fine. I'm able to shoot those little gaps there through that tree. I think I'd take it a little bit faster here in a minute. But this is one of my favorite things, just to go up that tree and kind of dive that tree there. So that's kind of fun. I just gotta watch out for ghost branches jumping out and grab me. So not too bad. But the Hyperlite 3-inch flies really well. I'm actually really surprised. There's my my attempt at a little stall on the side there. It's a poor attempt at that, but it's a fun little frame to go out and do some freestyle with and kind of just fly around. But as you can see here, just hit a little bit of I think it's a piece of branch or something I hit there. But other than that, it flies really well, and I really do enjoy it. I like the OSD here on the 3-inch, so because I usually have like a little buzzer or something I usually put in there. So this kind of gives me a little bit of a indication on how much battery pack I use and whatnot. So it's kind of handy. I just got to adjust the voltage readout, because even though it says, I have not that much battery left, it actually does have quite a bit. So yeah, so there you go. There's a little bit of a test flight, and not too bad. So, well, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll catch you later.